Morning, all of you. Very good morning to all of you. Welcome, you guys. Welcome, you all. कैसे हो सभी लोग? How we are doing, everybody? Yes. A good news to all of you. A very great news to all of the students who are preparing for GATE and ESC के लिए. So that is, you can able to get the flat 20% discount. Flat 20% discount plus 10 months 10% price drop and extra months also. It's a great opportunity, never before opportunity here. Have a look at this thing here now. So you can able to get for 9 months you will get additionally 2 months benefit. 18 months you will get additionally 3 months benefit आपको मिलने वाला. Yes, you can able to save the maximum you can able to save this thing up to 20,000. You see this thing here, you can able to save this much, you can able to save it. Utilize these opportunities before it going to expire. Never before you got these opportunities. And by using the code of BVReady, use the code of BVReady to avail this great discount offer. By using the code of BVReady, by using this code of BVReady, you will get the 20% discount plus additionally 10 months 10% discount additionally मिलेगा. Utilize these opportunities. You can find the top educators team. Right. Exclusive GATE iconic offer. The plus benefits you can see now here. You can access all the top educators classes. Iconic you will get the printed books available, one-to-one mentorship, customized doubt solving, 9 plus 2 months and 18 plus 3 months, and use the code of BVReady to avail these great opportunities. And this offer, this is valid for all the branches. EC, electrical, CS, सारा branches को available होगा. Civil, mechanical, for all the branches this is valid. Use these opportunities. And the code which is applicable for all the branches, the BVReady, that is a universal code. This can be applicable for all Unacademy subscription के लिए valid है. And so another thing is what now here, so 1 to 500 ranks will get 90%, up to 1000 ranks will get 50%, 3000 ranks will get 33%, 3000 to 5000 will get 25%. ESC mains cleared 90%, ESC prelims cleared 50%. And the top IITs, NITs, if you have 80%, you will get 50% of discount. And these are the top rankers from GATE 2023. And now it's time for you. Next time we want to see you in these locations. So next year, so we want to see you. Your photo must be here, right? So start preparing seriously. And we are starting a new batches. We are starting. You can follow these courses to avail the best learning experience, and you can plan this Unacademy subscription with a no cost EMI also. No cost EMI you can plan, so without paying any additional charges. And these are the top educators for the offline batch, right? Chalo, let's continue our discussion. How many problems we have completed? Many problems we have completed? 145. Okay. One 45 we have completed, right? So chalo, let's continue the remaining problems. 146. Take down. A committee of 4 is to be formed from among 4 girls and 5 boys. What is the probability that the committee will have have number of boys less than girls? Okay, boys must be more, na? Boys must be more. Yes, I need to select the 4 members. I need to select basically 4 members. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boys must be less. Girls are more. We should have. That means first I can take all girls. I will say this is one combinations. Now I will take this as a 3 girls, 1 boy. Boys more na here. Sorry, girls more na here. Only this combination, right? Only this combinations. Right. Tell me now here probability. So this is, and 4 girls are there. 4 से 4 लेना पड़ेगा. 4C4 by, and this is 9C4 plus, and 4C3 into 5C1 by 9C4. All of you. Simplify. Tell me the answer. Yes. Yes. 4C4, which is equal to what you tell me now here? C4, which will be equal to 1. 1 plus 4C3 equal to 4 into, this is 5. Isn't it? By 9C4, which could be given as, tell me now here, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. Right. By, so this is 4 into 3 into 2. No 5, no 5 is already there, complete. So simplify this thing, how much we'll get? 1 by 6. Isn't it? All of you tell me. Chalo, next one. Everybody done this thing. Next one. A bag contains 2 white, 2 black. Another bag contains 3 of each color. Okay. A bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn from the bag. The probability that white ball is drawn. White ball मिलना पड़ेगा. White ball के लिए total probability use करना पड़ेगा. Total probability of getting a white ball हमको चाहिए. Yes, tree diagram भी use करो. Directly total probability का formula. Tell me now here. So first bag selection is what to tell me now? 1 by 2. 2 bags are there. 1 bag we need to select. And वो bag से हमने white ball लेना पड़ेगा. White ball का probability tell me now here 4 by 6. And second bag selection is what, tell me now? 1 by 2. White ball का probability is what now here? That is 3 of each color na. So 3 white balls, 3 black balls. Right. So tell me now here which is equal to. So 12 is LCM, that is 8 plus 3 na. Plus 3, yeah. 8 का है 4 plus 3. So this means how much now here? 7 by 12. Done. Next one. Wow. Next one. And we are entering into random variable concepts. 0 yeah. 0 is extra typed. Okay. Extra typing. A kx square only. Kx square. Extra typing mistake. Fine. So tell me now, if the probability density function of a random variable is given like this, they ask him to find the value of k. They given this as terminal probability density function. Probability density function. So that is a PDF. What is that? PDF. If the probability density function is given, the thing is, what tell me the area bounded by the any PDF curve must be 1. Area of any PDF curve is what tell me 1 always. The area bounded by the any PDF curve is 1. So what we can do here, integral. So the limits given from -1 to +1 now. So this is -1 to +1. That is f of x into dx. The area of the any PDF curve must be equal to 1. This is the condition. If they given PDF curve, so the area must be 1. Now you can tell me now here integration from way to way, to tell me now here -1 to +1 f of x, which is given as kx square into dx. This area we should equate it to 1. That is, k is a constant, so x square integration is what to tell me now, x cube by 3 na. So limits -1 to +1, which is equal to 1. So that means what I'll get now, k by 3 into this value 1 plus 1 na. So which is equal to 1. So k value how much you tell me, that is 3 by 2. So how much the k value, 3 by 2. Done. If they given any PDF curve is given, the condition is what to tell me now here, the area bounded by the PDF curve must be a 1. Of you. All of you. Done. यस, क्या हुआ मंतोष, अभी तक जागा नहीं? अभी जाग गया क्या? Yes, next one. The constant c is such that the function is a probability density function. They given this function is given as f of x is a PDF probability density function. So what the condition tell me now here? If it is a PDF probability density function, the condition is what to tell me now here? Area must be 1. Area of PDF is how much you tell me always? Area of the PDF curve, which is always 1. Right, tell me now here, the limits they given here 0 to 3 now, so I am taking this as 0 to 3. 0 to 3, what to tell me now, f of x into dx, which must be equal to 1. Now you can tell me now here 0 to 3, f of x is what to tell me now here, cx square into dx equal to 1. So tell me c is a constant, so this is x cube by 3, which is equal to 1. Limits are there now 0 to 3. So you can tell me now here, that is c by 3 into upper limit. So that is 3 cube minus 0, which is equal to 1. So this means c by 1 3 will get cancelled, 9. So which is equal to 1. So c value how much you tell me now here? 1 by 9. Done. Next one. Next, a random variable x has a PDF. Probability density function is given as like this. Then the value of the constant c is. Tell me what we can do. Again, so this area must be equal to 1 now. What is the area? Tell me now here. Integral from minus infinite to plus infinite. So that means the area of the PDF curve must be equal to 1. Yes, tell me now here integral from minus infinite to plus infinite, which is given as c by 1 plus x square into dx, which is equal to 1. Now you can tell me now here integration of 1 plus x square, that is, which is nothing but tan inverse of x. Now tell me the tan inverse of x. So the limits are, tell me now here, minus infinite to plus infinite, which is equal to 1. Right, now you can tell me now here. So now this is c into, so tan inverse of, yes, tan inverse of plus infinity minus tan inverse of minus infinity, which is equal to 1. Tell me now here c into tan inverse of infinity is how much? You tell me pi by 2. Minus minus plus pi by 2 होगा ना, and which is equal to 1. So that means c value how much? You tell me now here, 2 by pi. Right, the option B. Okay, 2 by pi. So here, okay, so 1 by pi na, sorry. 1 by pi na, okay. So the next one is the next one. Yes, the given sum is a probability density function for the real numbers x or the entire x-axis. X and m and n are both positive numbers. Then the equation relating the m and n is, they given the PDF is given. Now they are asking to find what, tell me the relation between m and n. If it is a PDF function, the condition is what to tell me? The area must be 1. If it is a PDF function, the condition is what I can say? Area must be given. Here they didn't mention the limits. If they don't mention the limit, the condition is what we can do here? Integral from minus infinite to plus infinite, and we should take it as a f of x into dx. In general limits, we should take it as what? Tell me, minus infinite to plus infinite. If they given the limits, we'll consider. Otherwise, we'll take it as general limits from minus infinite to plus infinite लेना पड़ेगा. Right. Tell me now here. And they given this as a mod x is given. We have a property for mod x. And this mod x, which is equal to what? To tell me now here? Here minus x. From where to where? Yes, entire x-axis given. So let's make from where to where? minus infinite less than x less than 0 mod x value minus x. And this mod x, which is equal to what, to tell me now, plus x from where to where, 0 less than x less than infinity. Right, this is a mod x property. Now tell me now here, so this is integral. So since we have a mod x is there, we'll split it here two limits. From where to where we can split it now here, minus infinite to 0. Between minus infinite to 0. So tell me now what is the expression, tell me now, m into e power mod x is minus x. Minus x, minus or minus, it will become plus na plus x into dx, okay, plus, and this is 0 to infinity. So this is what we can say now here, between 0 to infinity. So this is mod x is a positive only na, plus next n also. Tell me now here, this is n into n. So this is integral from where to where we can say here, minus infinite to 0. Tell me now here, this is n into e power mod x value minus x now will become plus x, plus integral from 0 to infinity and e power minus 3x into dx. Done all of you? And that must be equal to 1. The area must be equal to 1 now. Since it is a PDF function, probability density function means area must be 1. Now tell me now what I will get here. This is m into e power 2x integration by 2. Limits are what we can say here, minus infinite to 0, plus, that is m into e power minus 2x by minus 2, limits 0 to infinity, plus n into e power 3x by 3. Limits are what, tell me, minus infinite to 0. Here also n is there na. That is n into e power minus 3x by minus 3. Limits are what, tell me, 0 to infinity, which is equal to 1. All of you got this thing, everybody? Okay. Px minus px. Here the limits are 0, this is infinity. Now simplify now here, this is m by 2 into upper limit minus lower limit. M by 2 upper limit is case 1, lower limit is 0. This is minus m by 2 into what we can say, tell me, upper limit case e power minus infinite 0, e power 0 is 1 na, plus n by 3 into upper limit is 1, so this is 0, minus n by 3 into what I can say here, upper limit e power minus infinity 0 minus this is 1, which is equal to 1. So tell me now here, m by 2 plus m by 2, so this will become m, next plus what we can say here, 2n by 3, which is equal to 1, isn't it? We know e power minus infinite value how much? 0. E power plus infinite value how much? Infinity. E power 0 value, which is equal to 1. Done. Next, a continuous random variable x has a density function is given as like this. Now they are asking to find the p of x greater than 1 is. Okay. P of x greater than 1. So previous one completed now all of you. Option is A. A continuous random variable x has a density function is given. F of x is given as like this. Now we need to find the P of x, probability of x, which is greater than 1 we require. That means what to tell me, we need to find the area up to from where to where? 1 to infinity. So means what we can say here, 1 to lower more than 1 ना 1 से infinite तक जाना पड़ेगा 1 to infinity, and this is what I can say now here, f of x into dx. Right, tell me now here which is given as 1 to infinity. This is e power minus x into dx. Yeah, simplify, see what I will get now here, e power minus x by minus 1. Limits are, tell me now here, 1 to infinity. So what I will get now here, minus 1 outside, and this is e power minus infinite minus e power minus 1. So now you can tell me this value here, this is minus of e power minus infinity is a 0, and this is which is equal to minus e power minus 1. How much this value, tell me, this is plus of 1 by e na? How much this value, 1 by e value, how much it is? 0.368. Okay, so we can say option A, nearly. Okay, 0 0. What is 0 0 यार? क्या हुआ? कोई डाउट हुआ क्या प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में आपको? Right. Next one. Find the value of lambda. Find the value of lambda. What यार डाउट हुआ क्या? जल्दी बोलिए. किधर डाउट है बोलिए आपका? Yes, find the value of lambda such that the function is a valid probability density function. It is a valid probability density function. Means the condition is what to tell me? Area must be 1. What is the condition you tell me now here? So for this must be a valid density function. The condition is what we can say now here? Area must be 1. Yeah, tell me now here what I can do the area. So this means the limits given as 1 to 2 given now. So this is integral of 1 to 2. So what I can say now here, f of x into dx. F of x into dx is 1. Now simplify this thing here, 1 to 2 limits, that is lambda into we have the function is given lambda minus 1 into, that is 2 minus x minus 1 into dx, and let's multiply this thing here. This is limits are 1 to 2 lambda here, so if we multiply here, what I'll get now here, that is 2x minus x square minus 2 and then plus x into dx. Yes, this must be equal to 1. Area must be 1. So that is integral 1 to 2, that is lambda into what I can say here, minus x square plus 3x plus 2 into dx, which is equal to 1. Now find out this integration. Now tell me, lambda is a constant integral, so this means what I'll get to tell me now here, minus x cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2 plus 2x. Yes, limits are, tell me now, 1 to 2, which is equal to 1. Now you can simplify this thing here. This is lambda into what I'll get to tell me. So this is minus 1 by 3 into upper limit is 2. That means 8 minus 1 plus lower limit. So this is, you can see now, 3 by 2 into what I can say, 4 minus 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 1. So is equal to 1. Okay, so that means lambda, which is what we can say, tell me, minus 7 by 3 minus 7 by 3 plus what will get now, 3 9 by 2 and then plus 2 is equal to 1. So that is lambda into, and which we can say this as LCM is a 6 now, tell me. So means which is equal to 7 into 2, 14 plus 9 into 3, that is 27 plus 6 into 2, that is a 12 is equal to 1. So tell me how much will get this value, tell me. How much will get here? Minus 14. So this value 27. So this is what now, 36 now, tell me. 36 by 6, isn't it? Which is equal to 1. So that's why lambda equal to what I can say now here, 6 now. 6 or 1 by 6. This value how much here? How much we got this value? Yes, the minus 14 plus 27, so which is equal to 38. So this is 39. 39 minus 14. How much is value? This is what here? This is 39 and this is 14 now. How much is value? 5 and this is 2 now, 25. 25 by 6. तो ऑप्शन तो नहीं ना, चेक करिए. ऑप्शन तो नहीं ना, चेक करो. कोई गलत तो नहीं किया ना, चेक करो. Minus 7 by 3 plus 9 by 2 here. This is 2 into 2 minus 1, so which is equal to 2. So correct only ना, calculation check करो. कोई, so this is 2x multiplication here, minus x square minus 2, so this is plus x only. Yes, now here what we have, this is 3x Here this is minus 2, yeah. Yeah, this is minus 2 now. Yeah, this is minus 2. Okay, this is minus 2. Okay, this is minus 12. Now क्या आएगा चेक करो अभी. Then this is minus 12. So this means lambda into this is 1 by 6 होगा ना, which is equal to 1. So the lambda is equal to 6. Yes, so here silly mistake हमने किया, careful in the simplification. So which is equal to what to tell me now? 6. Right. So the next one. The density function of a random variable x is given as like this. Now they ask him to find the mean and variance. And what is the formula for the mean? Mean, which will denote this thing as, tell me now here, E of x. What is the formula for mean is a integral x into f of x. Integral x into f of x is a mean. Right. So now tell me now mean of a variable x, which is given as what we can say now, this E of x, which is equal to what we can say, tell me now here, integration, yes, 0 to 2. 0 to 2. So this means x into f of x is given as what to tell me now, x by 2 now, x by 2 into dx. So that means what I will get now here, this is integration 0 to 2. So this is x square by 2 into dx. Now so tell me now here, that is 1 by 2 outside. So this integration is x cube by 3, limits 0 to 2. Limit 0 to 2. Yes, now you can tell me now this is E of x. Now you can tell me the E of x here, tell me. So this is 1 by 6 into what we will get now here, 2 cube. So this means, so what I can say now here, this is 8 by 6. Means what I can say now, tell me, 4 by 3. Mean is 4 by 3. Now we need to find the variance also, we should find now. How we can find the variance formula? What are the variance? Variance, and which is will denote this thing as a sigma square. Variance will denote as sigma square of x, and which is given as, tell me, E of x square minus E of x whole square. E of x whole square. This is the variance. We will find the mean and variance. Now if you see this thing, we will move the next page better. Now, so first we need to find this E of x square here. And what is the E of x square, you tell me? Which is given as what we can say, integral x square into f of x. X square into f of x into dx is a E of x square. Now tell me now here, E of x square is integral, and the limits given as 0 to 2. So 0 to 2. So this is x square into f of x is given as what we can say now here, x by 2 into dx. be given as 1 by 2 into this integration is x cube. X cube integration is what you tell me now here? X power 4 by 4. Limits are 0 to 2. So you can tell me now here 1 by 8 into what I'll get now here 2 power 4 minus 0. What we can say now here, this is my e of x square, which is given as 2 power 4 means that is 4 into 4 by 8. So means 2 2. So this means e of x square is how much now here 2. Then what I can do here, the variance means what to tell me now, sigma square variance, which is given as e of x square, e of x square minus e of x whole square, e of x whole square. Now you can tell me now here e of x square, we got this thing as a 2 minus e of x whole square means e of x means what now here, this is a, we got it as a mean now, that is how much here, tell me, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is whole square. So tell me now what I'll get now, 2 minus 16 by 9. So what I'll get, tell me now here, 18 minus 16 by 9. So this value, how much you tell me now here, 2 by 9. So this is answer. So that means mean is a 4 by 3, variance is 2 by 9. So the option A. Done. Next one. Yeah, take the next problem. The expectation of a discrete random variable x whose probability density function is given as like this. Okay. The given this is, now here in this case the random variable is a discrete in nature. Random variable is a discrete in nature. Expectation means mean only now. So in case of a e of x which is given as what to tell me now here, that is sigma x into f of x in case of a discrete random variable. This is the expectation formula in case of what? Discrete random variable. In case of a discrete random variable. In case of a discrete random variable, so we have this thing. Right. Now you can tell me now here, this is my e of x. This is e of x which is given as sigma x into, so what we have, this is x into 1 by 2 whole power x. Right. Now we can apply this thing, x value changing from where to where here, so on up to infinity. Now we can change this x value, so then tell me what I will get now here when x is equal to 1. So it is 1 into 1 by 2 plus when x is equal to 2, This is 2 into 1 by 2. When x is equal to 3, so this is 3 into 1 by 2. 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 whole cube. Next 4 into what you tell me now here? 1 by 2 whole power 4. ऐसा continue होगा ना, tell me? ऐसा continue होगा. When this is called as what you tell me now here? This is called as a AGP form. This is called as, you can see, here you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the AP. And here we have 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 power 4, like this we are getting now. So this is what you tell me of GP. It's a combination of AP and the GP. AP and the GP. Right. So in these cases we have relations. Now, so this is 1 minus x whole power minus 2. So which could be given as what you tell me? 1 minus x whole power minus 2, which is given as 1 plus, what we have, this is 1 plus x, 1 plus, this is nx plus n plus 1. We can write this thing here, n, so we can write this thing as in the form of, so this is 1 plus 2x plus 3x squared plus 4x cube plus, like this ऐसा चलता होगा. Now you can see now here this series also like this form only ना. अगर आपने ध्यान से देखा तो here this is also like this form now, here this series, you see this thing. Now you can see now I can take out this 1 by 2 common here in the above equations. Then this equation will becomes like this, you see. So this is 1 by 2 I have taken common. Tell me what I'll get, 1 plus. So it will becomes what, tell me, that is 2 into 1 by 2. Plus what, tell me now here, 3 into 1 by 2 whole square. Plus that is 4 into 1 by 2 cube. Like this ऐसा होगा. Now this is given as E of x, and which we can say this as 1 by 2 into, tell me now here, is this is in this form or not here? In place of x we have 1 by 2. So which we can say this as 1 minus x value, how much here? 1 by 2. This whole power is how much here? Minus 2. So this value which will get it as 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 whole power minus 2. So this means 1 by 2 into this power minus means we can make it as ulta. So that means it will become 2 square. So this value 1, 2 will get cancelled, which will be equal to 2. Okay. Is it fine, all of you? Completed, everybody? Chalo. Next problem. Take down. The random variable x takes the values 1, 2, 3 with the probabilities given like this. The values of p and e of x are respectively. Okay. They given the random variable can take the values they given, right? random variable, if I say this is my x and the corresponding probabilities p of x, it will take the values of 1, 2 and 3. And so 1 ka probability given as this is 2 plus 5p by 5. Next 2 ka probability given as 1 plus 3p by 5. Next 1.5 plus p by 5. Right. Now these are the probabilities they given. Now you can tell me now here the conditions here. The conditions what we have seen. The sum, as per the things now here, you can see sum of all the probabilities must be equal to 1. Sum of all the probabilities must be equal to 1, isn't it? In any experiment. So we can see now here. So this is 2 plus 5p by 5 plus 1 plus 3p by 5 plus 1.5 plus 2p by 5. Sum of all the probabilities must be equal to 1. So we have equating all the probabilities, we have equating to the 1. Now you can tell me now here if we add all these things now here, what will get to tell me now here? LCM same now 5 only. So this is 3, 4.5. 4.5 plus what to tell me now? 5. 8 plus 2, 10. So this is 10p by 5, which is equal to 1. Now this is what I can say now. Tell me 4.5 plus 10p, which is equal to 5. That is what I can say now here. 10p, which is nothing but what I can say, this is 0.5. So then p value, how much you tell me? 0.5 means 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 20. So the p value is 1 by 20. Or we can say p value which is given as 0.05. Right. And what else now we should find? E of x also we should find. And what the E of x you tell me now? Expectations. Right. The expectation formula. What is the formula for E of x? Now here expectation, tell me. This is mean, which is given as what to tell me now? Sigma x into p of x. Sigma x into p of x. So tell me now here E of x, what will get? So this 1 into 2 plus 5p by 5 plus 2 into what to tell me now here? 1 plus 3p by 5 plus 3 into 1.5 plus 2p by 5. Right, so then which is given as what I can say, tell me. So then, so this LCM which is equal to, this is 5. Tell me now what I will get now here. 2 plus 5p plus is 2 plus 6p plus 3 by 2 means what we can say, 3 into 1.5, 4.5 now. So this is plus 6p. Now you tell me now here, so which is given as, so this is 5, 6, 11, 11 plus 6, 17. 17p plus what we can say this is now here 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 4.5, so this is 8.